So I'm trying to fix this car. About 6 months ago, I was down in Madi City. A car backed into me, put this dent in the car. And then, yeah, he gave me his number, but when I called him, I think I wrote down the wrong number, or he didn't want to answer. And then, yeah, anyway, I lost contact with him. So I got a call to get it fixed, and it's like 20 to 25,000 peso. So I thought I'd try and fix it myself. I bought some dent. I've never done this before. I bought some dent pulls off Shopee. So I got this one. And comes with this piece as well. Don't know. And glue gun. And apparently you glue these little bits to the car and try to pull it out. So let's see how it goes. First I'll try this little thing. It's like a little suction cap. Okay, that thing doesn't really work. Let's try this glue gun. This is a little glue gun that comes with a kit. You got any glue coming out? I can feel some heat in. Oh, there it goes. Look.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
Melt.
Let's try. Yes, you put that on. Where do we put this? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Some more glue.
I think in here also.
Okay. I don't know. I think removing the glue is the least of my worries. I just want to get the dent out. I don't know. Actually, I only got like a 20% chance or hope that this is actually going to work. Okay, so this is the dent puller. It locks into the bits of plastic you glue on the car like this. And you, First time I tried this. Yeah, let's try. So hot today. Not really hot, humid. It's been raining.
Tapos pull.
Okay. I just glued heaps on there. I'm not sure if that's the right thing to do.
I
Let's
hope
try
it
this one.
works. Or maybe you have to wait until the glue is dry. Oh shit, be careful. Bad words.
It's okay.
Oh, it
Did you
works!
see that? You feel
Oh my
that? It
God.
just popped out.
Oh my god, it works!
Oh my god. That's pretty amazing. Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going. Maybe step back a bit. Oh, so that one pulled off.
Because the glue, I think, not very dry.
It's okay, we can glue it back on. You see that?
Yeah.
Wow, so good. Wow.
I think one in here, like in the middle.
Yeah, I need to glue some more here.
Yeah, here.
And okay, well,
I think this one here is okay.
that popped out a heap. Like, it still needs a lot of work, but it's definitely improved. Does it? Okay. That was definitely worth it.
One in here.
Now I need to glue some more on. Okay, I glued a heap more pieces on there. As you can see. Now I'm just gonna get a bit rougher this time.
Oh, careful.
think if... Whoop. Two different types of dent pulls. They're actually 800 peso each. So this kit cost me just under 2K. With all the glue and... I don't know how this one goes. Let's try it. Yeah, I didn't...
The glue is...
It just pulled off, but the dent didn't really move. So far, the other dent pull's the best. Oh,
It is a little bit.
maybe.
Huh?
Okay, round 3. I've just re-glued it all on, trying to get these last few dents out. The trick was I glued the last plugs on and they all just pulled straight off because it's so hot, the glue is just melting in the sun. So I just glued these ones on and I just poured some cold water over it. So I'll try again. As I said, it's like 75% fixed. So for 30 bucks or 50 bucks, I reckon it's worth it. And definitely this one, like this was the one that fixed it the best. This dent puller, the suction cap, I think that was useless. And even this thing didn't really do much, but let's see how I go. Not really, but we try. I just had to get my hat so hot today, getting burnt. Yeah, I learned a few things. When you pull the caps off and then glue them back on, I used alcohol to clean the old glue off. You have to wash the car with soap and water to get the alcohol off. Otherwise, when I glued back on, all the tabs just pulled off. So that was like a waste of time. I'm gonna try it. I just glued them all back on again after I washed it. Hopefully get this last bit of a dent out. Let's try this. Okay, well it's heaps better than it was, but I give up today. Tried 3 times, now the tab's just pulling off, so I don't know. I feel like something out, back to the drawing board, but it's definitely better anyway. Just got this bit here, and that one there.